Ebusiafo, I mean, me and Kofu will be someday. How were you able to be this successful?
We slept in a single room with my mom and my sister. We had only a single a ceiling fan and a small size TV at Colleague.
Selling both roads. I was once a driver's mate. Accra, Medina, Accra was.
I wash as many as about 5,000 dishes a day. And
I keep telling them that in your day I came from a rich family. I came from a poor family too. And then looking at the times Nyimpa Mob, South Pond Beach to Cape Coast Beach, at the mob stake and sometimes you don't have help, you have to do it all alone. You understand? And out of this, in the Nyimpa to me save kakra, and the year to me that to your private jets and your mansions. And see, then journey to success ain't easy. But I keep telling you that into me start one. You can't just start one and become successful. You need to go through the mill. You need to hustle. You need to sell. At a point, I was selling water from South Pond to Mankesim to Esikuma to Adana Menamufom. You understand? Then there is no food to eat. But I said to myself that with determination, I will change the narratives. And today, here am I. You know, I'm a very successful billionaire with 2 private jets. And like the likes of Richard told you and Mr. Tobin, easy. So believe you can. Believe you can. This is the way. We just did hard work, and the hard work is now paying. So believe it. Whether you like it or not, believe it.
I started a business with more than $10,000 US in Ghana.
All be lie. It be set up.
My name is Kwabena Esiama. Sikano ashe. Intino Tracy, please.